Gulfood is of course an important exhibition for Netstal, and mainly an important one this year because Netstal as an organization is back in Middle East Africa. Well, the expectation is of course to meet the customers, to inform them as well about our new strategy, and maybe just a word to this one. Since Krones has acquired Netstal, we have been very clear on the strategy that we need to globally strengthen our sales and service force. And this is what we have done now here in Dubai. We have a team installed in Dubai for both sales and service in order to serve our customers in the Middle East and Africa area. It's very, very positive what we hear from customers. I think customers understand the strategic approach, that Netstal is an important pillar in the Krones group, and together we can find even better solutions for tomorrow.